Hello, and now we are watching video number 2, in which we will talk about the important steps of working with the unit, and we'll do it as an example of working with Unit 2. We'll talk about planning, we'll talk about using worksheets for the unit, we'll see or we'll understand how to download the videos for the unit. We'll talk about basic versus expanding vocabulary. Then I will give you a hint on what extra materials to use. We'll go to our speaking section, and finally we'll discuss teachable moments. So let's start with planning. You may download a Word document where you will see all planning for the whole course of the level 1, and there please find the planning for Unit 2. In this planning you will see the necessary vocabulary we will be talking about, and also you will understand what other parts of this unit will be. In our example, you will need to know about vocabulary, you will need to know about the videos, and you will need to know about the outcome, what speaking will be in the end of the unit. So, next step is the worksheets for the unit. Each unit will have a number of pages which are grouped in a PDF worksheet, so you may download this worksheet. There is a worksheet for every unit. It will contain from 10 to 12 pages, and all these pages are used as a basis of your teaching work. You may give them for kids to write on them. You may, I don't know, use them as a class material. So this is a basis, actually. This is a part of the course book that we offer to our students. Step 3, plus check the videos for the unit. You will see that all worksheets in the tasks contain the name of the video, but also you can find a Word document with the list of the videos and with the websites that provides those videos and the links to download or to watch the videos. After you have examined the planning, the worksheets and the videos, it's important to understand that the vocabulary of any unit is divided into the basic vocabulary and the expanding vocabulary. The basic vocabulary is the main vocabulary of the unit. For example, Unit 2 is called Fruits and Vegetables, so the main vocabulary here will be about fruits and vegetables. But there will be two big blocks of expanding vocabulary, such as colors and shapes. And from Unit 1, there also will be the vocabulary of numbers. So 3 sections, numbers, colors, and shapes, will constitute the expanded vocabulary, while fruits and vegetables will make the blocks of basic vocabulary. Again, after you have examined the worksheets and you understand the needs of your students, you may plan to use extra materials from the websites that I have already recommended to you, such as ISL Collective, Busy Teacher, and so on. Those worksheets, and you see an example here, will help the students who really need help and they can't acquire all the vocabulary at once. After you have studied with your kids the basic and expanding vocabulary, and you're sure that they have acquired this vocabulary pretty well. There is time to come to a speaking section. A speaking section contains speaking on different subjects, and it is noted for its special organization. You can read it both vertically and horizontally. For the vertical part of the section, you will see that this part includes the vocabulary on one category, such as numbers or colors or shapes. So you can use this part for reviewing the vocabulary of the category, and then you can start talking horizontally and reading the pictograms that will allow your kids to build the phrases. And my final advice is always remember about a teachable moment. From the previous videos, you have to remember that our brain always categorizes. So to be able to acquire a lot of vocabulary, we need to place it into the categories. Please use any part of vocabulary, any unit of vocabulary, any word to review the categories that are connected with this word. For example, here you see the word a ball, and we can talk about the category, it belongs to toys. We can talk about the shapes. The simple way would be to talk about it as a circle. We can also talk about the colors, and we can also talk about the movement, like I can bounce a ball.